Hello stakeholders in the digital marketplace. My name's Andy Higgins. We've put some funding into the Innovation Fund to support the Salford deaf community with its aims. We have 4 aims. The first one is to raise awareness of the needs of deaf people in the city of Salford. The second is to improve the availability of information in a format that is accessible to deaf people in the city of Salford. The third is to help create services and make sure services in Salford are accessible for deaf people. And the fourth is to provide a social setting for deaf people of all ages, regardless of their gender, sexuality, political or religious belief, to meet. In 2021-2022, there were 19 formal complaints made by deaf people. Of those 19, 14 were against health services. 5 were made towards primary care, and those related to GPs, opticians, dentists and chemists. Some related to vaccinations in GP surgeries, surgery staff not having deaf awareness training and understanding the needs of deaf people, people accessing dentists and being able to book appointments, and also interpreters at community services like chiropody and sexual health services. 9 complaints were made to acute services about the lack of interpreters turning up and the communication barriers that deaf people are facing. And that relates to poor communication. So please help us as stakeholders to support our funding bid to set up some British Sign Language classes and deaf awareness training throughout the city for healthcare staff. Your support for the £13,500 means that deaf people are not left without any understanding, empathy and compassion when they access services. It also means we can target support where deaf people are having regular communication barriers and target that support to make sure that their needs are being met in an accessible but also humanistic way.